The process journal is an essential working tool for developing and completing the MYP projects. Students should maintain a process journal throughout the stages of their project to keep notes on their investigation, planning, action, and reflection. In this way, students demonstrate their working behaviours and academic honesty. The process journal is a generic term used to refer to the record of progress maintained by the student throughout the project. It can be in any format that the student chooses. Technology should be at the forefront of the process journal routine, where appropriate. The use of tools such as smartphones, tablets, cameras, digital recording devices, wikis, etc. may allow students to record their development across the 4 project objectives and approaches to learning. Many students will prefer to keep their journal using digital media, such as a website, or may choose to document their process in the form of audio recordings. Of course, it may be in written form too, although it's important to stress that the process journal should not be a daily log or a diary. A mixture of formats might suit the student's project too. For example, the student might change formats for each stage of the project, preferring to record their investigation on a blog, their planning through oral recordings, their action taken on video file, and their reflection through a written record. In these choices, we should consider the school facilities, the accessibility of information and communication technologies, and the differentiated abilities of the students. On completion of the MYP project, students should select a maximum of 10 individual extracts to submit as appendices of their MYP project. For the community project, students may choose to work in groups, in which case the maximum number of extracts selected for the project should not exceed 15 per group. Extracts can be in many formats, but focus of the selection should be extracts that are directly relevant to the process that the student has undergone in the development and completion of their project. The extracts should clearly highlight how the student has addressed the objectives of the MYP project. These extracts will not be directly assessed, but will provide evidence to support the levels of achievement awarded for the project.